This is the face of our future, or is it? I don't know, but that name right there is our future in space. They are leading the way. And this Cybertruck looks like it's already been in space. Check out these lines, all stainless steel. That bumper's an add-on, I believe, and so are these fenders. Some mods have been done to this truck, but is this going to be the future moon rover? What are the possibilities? Okay, let's take a look inside. Oh man, this thing is clutter-free. Nothing. A flat screen, a steering wheel, a brake pedal, and a throttle. Oh, and cup holders. What else do you need? Probably got a doodad over there to charge up your phone while you're driving as well. Very clean interior. All right, SpaceX, here's your new moon buggy. Already prepped and tested and ready to go. Gets around in this sand you can hardly walk in pretty easily. Look at that, SpaceX. It's already covered with Martian soil. Look at the red dirt. Big shout out to Heavy D and Sparks Motors and Supercar Ron for making this display possible. But how did they get that Martian dirt on it already? Oh, SpaceX, that's that. Hey Tesla fans, Cybertruck fans, here's a bolt-on accessory, or maybe a weld-on, if you want to add some overhead lights. Well, I sure hope you Tesla fans enjoyed this. I don't think you'll see a Cybertruck sitting out in the sand like this too often. If you like it, make a comment. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe. It's all free. Help others to see what you've seen. Thank you very much for watching.